morning, Alice. How are you?
Hi, Ellen. Good morning. I'm fine, and you?
Fine, thanks. Excuse me, where's my watch?
I don't know. Isn't it under the magazines?
No, it isn't.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. It's not under the magazines, and I'm late. I have an appointment at 8 o'clock.
Maybe it's here on the table. No, the watch isn't here. Behind the apples, next to the pasta.
Oh, there it is. Thanks, Alice.
You're welcome, Anne. Bye.
Oh no. It's late. Alice, what time is it?
Just a moment. It's 7:30.
7:30. My train is at 8 o'clock.
Hurry up, Jack. You're late.
Okay. Where are my keys?
They're here on the table.
Thanks, Alice. Now, another problem. Where is my sweater?
Maybe it's on the chair.
No, it isn't. Where is it?
Calm down, Jack. You're wearing it.
Oh, thanks, Alice. You're a lifesaver.
Hurry up! Go, go, go! Too much stress. I must go back to bed again.
Hello and welcome back to English Today, the only live TV program where you can learn the English language. Now, did you see that last episode of That's Life? Do you ever have that problem in the morning? You know, you get up and you can't find anything? Yeah? Me too. Now, in that episode, there were a lot of questions, and that's what I'd like to do with you now. Look in particular at question words, the words that we put at the beginning of questions, okay? And we need to look at the screen in order to do that. Now, the most important question words in English are where, what, who, when, why, what time, how, and which. Let's look at those individually now. What? Well, let's start with where. Now, where is a question word which we use for a place. For example, Anne said, "Where's my watch?" She said, "Where are my keys?" And Jack said, "Where's my sweater?" All right, so where. Next one. What? What is used for things? For example, I ask, "What is your job?" Well, I'm a teacher. What is your job? Okay, next one. Who? Who is a question word that we use for people. So, for example, I ask, "Who's your favorite person?" Who's your favorite person? Well, my favorite person is my godmother. Who's your favorite person? Okay. Next, when. When is a question word that we use with the time or with a date, for example. So, when's your birthday, you could say. When's your birthday? Well, my birthday is April the 2nd. When is your birthday? Good. Next one. Why? Why is a question word we use when we want a reason. So, for example, why are we here? Why are we here? Well, we are here to learn English. Next thing, what time? Now, what time is used when we want the exact time? So I could ask, what time is it? It's 2 o'clock, for example. Okay, what time? How? How is a question we use when we ask about the state of things. So, for example, how are you? I'm fine, thanks. And the last one is which. That is a question word that we use about particular things. For example, which lesson is this? Good, so those are the most important English question words. Where, what, who, when, why, what time, how, and which. Okay, very important words when you're conversing in English. Great. Now, go and listen to that episode again. Listen for the question words, but also listen for some prepositions. Prepositions, for example, on, in, under, and we'll look at that in the next lesson. Okay? So, see you later. Bye.
Good morning, Alice. How are you?
Hi, Anne. Good morning. I'm fine, and you?
Fine, thanks. Excuse me, where's my watch?
I don't know. Isn't it under the magazines?
No, it isn't.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. It's not under the magazines, and I'm late. I have an appointment at 8 o'clock.
Maybe it's here on the table. No, the watch isn't here. Behind the apples, next to the pasta.
Oh, there it is. Thanks, Alice.
You're welcome, Anne. Bye.
Oh no. It's late. Alice, what time is it?
Just a moment. It's 7:30.
7:30. My train is at 8 o'clock.
Hurry up, Jack. You're late.
Okay. Where are my keys?
They're here on the table.
Thanks, Alice. Now, another problem. Where is my sweater?
Maybe it's on the chair.
No, it isn't. Where is it?
Calm down, Jack. You're wearing it.
Oh, thanks, Alice. You're a lifesaver.
Hurry up. Go, go, go. Too much stress. I must go back to bed again.
Hi again, and how are you? Now, did you see in That's Life how Anne said, "Where's my watch?" And it was on the table or under the magazines. Now, on and under are English prepositions, and that's what I want to do with you now. And to help me do that, I need the help of my assistant, Mr. Monkey. Ta-da! Here he is. He will help me. Now, listen. Mr. Monkey is on the table. He's on the table. Now, Mr. Monkey is under the table. Under the table. Now, Mr. Monkey is in the box. He's in the box. Then he comes out of the box. Then he goes through. Difficult pronunciation, that. He goes through the box. Now, where is Mr. Monkey now? Look at this. He's next to the box. Now he's near the box. Next. This. He's in front of the box, and now he's behind the box. Okay? This one here, Mr. Monkey is between the box and the computer. Between. Okay? So those are some of the most important prepositions. Now let's put Mr. Monkey to bed for the moment. He's tired. And let's go to the screen and look at those prepositions written in English. So, Mr. Monkey is on the desk. He's under the desk. He's in the box. He comes out of the box. He goes through the box. He's next to the box. He's near the box. He's in front of the box. He's behind the box. And he's between the box and the computer. Okay? Those are the most important English prepositions. Great. So, good lesson. I hope you're learning well. Let's continue now and go back and see more of our story. All right? And I'll see you later. Bye.
Okay, girls, what time is the dinner tonight at the restaurant?
It's at 8:30.
Are you sure? I think it's at 9:30.
Okay, guys, when is it?
I'm certain it's at 8:30.
Sorry, it's at 9:30.
Okay, it's tonight, right?
Yes, it's tonight. But what time is it, by the way?
There's a clock over there. It's 7:15.
So if it's after 6, Sharon's at home.
No, she isn't. She's at work.
No, usually she comes back home after 6. Hi, Sharon. Good evening.
Hi guys.
Sharon, please help us. What time is the dinner tonight?
It's quite late, it's at 10:30.
See, Jack, half past 10.
Okay, you're right. I'm wrong. Women.
Hi, and welcome back to English Today. How are you? Now, did you notice in That's Life, the girls were very confused about the time for dinner? 8:30, 9:30, 10:30. Well, that's what we're going to do in the lesson now, is look at how you tell the time in English. And for that, I need a clock. So, here we have a clock. Now, when the hand is in this position on the hour, in English we say o'clock. It's, look at this, 6 o'clock now. If we move the hand into this position, so it's 15 minutes after, we say it's 6:15. 6:15. Let's move it again. And here we have 6:30. This is 6:30. All right, 30 minutes after. 6:30. Let's move again. Like this. This is 6:45. 45 minutes. All right? Now, let's look at those things on the screen because they're quite difficult to pronounce. All right? Let's go and see them now. So, the questions were, what time is it? Or, what's the time? Then we said, it's 5 o'clock with it on the hour. It's 2:15, for example. It's 3:30, and it's 9:15. Those are the examples. All right? Just a minute. Hello? Hello? Yes? Oh, yes. About the romantic weekend in Paris. Yeah. Yes, I'm very, very interested. Yes, it's my boyfriend's birthday. Okay, yeah. What time is departure? Departure? At 9:15, okay. And what time is arrival? 10:30, okay, that's good. 10:30, great. And what about the romantic dinner for 2? Yeah, in the evening, 8, okay. Yes, 8 o'clock, that's perfect. And then there was a boat trip on the Seine. What time is that? 8:45 in the morning. That's a bit early. Okay, but that's fine. And our departure from Paris, when is that? Okay, good. 3:40 in the afternoon. Fantastic. Yes, thanks. Great. I love it. Yes, I'll book it. Okay, great. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yes, bye. Fantastic. That is a holiday that I've booked for my boyfriend and I for his birthday for a romantic weekend. Now, did you hear when I was speaking, I was using digital time in English. Now, let's look at that on the screen, digital time. Well, it's very easy because you just read the numbers. So, for example, 9:15 is 9:15. Look at the screen. 10:30. 8:45. So very easy. If you know the English numbers, digital time is very easy. Now, in English, we use the 12-hour clock. So we say 10 o'clock in the morning. We don't say 10 o'clock a.m. We say in the morning. We say 3:40 in the afternoon, not p.m., 3:40 in the afternoon, okay? And then we say 7 o'clock in the evening. We don't use p.m., so 7 o'clock in the evening. And then, for example, 11:15 at night. So in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, and at night. Okay? So that is telling the time in English. That's both normal time and digital time. So I think you'll find that useful. Good. Well, keep studying and remember to come back and be with us again at English Today, where you'll be learning English live. So see you very soon. Take care. Bye.